Good afternoon, it's Gary from Bit on Iron coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2008 Peterbilt 388 highway tractor. It has 755,000 miles on it, approximately 1.2 million kilometers. It has a Cat engine, 550 horsepower with 16,100 engine hours. It does come equipped with an engine brake and an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. The rating on the front axle is 12,000 pounds and on the rear 40,000 pounds on DSH 40P. The front axle suspension is spring and the rear is air. The rear axle ratio is 3.55 and it does have full lockers. The wheelbase is 244 inches. Tires all the way around are 11R 22.5 on aluminum rims and aluminum inside and out on the rear. It has twin 147-gallon fuel tanks, and the CDI is good until December 2013. It has had some recent work done, a new clutch, a new DPF valve, and the engine head was replaced on warranty. I'm going to do a general walk around of the unit, and then we're going to come up close for a tight inspection. I do have some limited movement, so I'll try and give you the widest angle I can. And this is about the farthest away I can get to give you an overall view, so I'm going to pan the unit a little bit here, just to give you a full view from the distance. I can get behind the unit a little bit better. It has a single exhaust, though I can see twin exhaust, sorry. It does have dual exhaust. It is a rich blue color. Looks like a two-tone blue, as the fenders and the top of the sleeper unit are darker, as well as the fuel tanks. The unit appears to be in very good condition. And let's get up and take a closer look. And let's come up to the grille. And the grille looks to be in good shape. There's a horseshoe on it for good luck. And let's take a look here at the bumper. I'm seeing a few little dents, very minor. I'm going to pan up the driver's side of the unit here, and we'll follow the bumper along over, and we'll go up the passenger side. I'll show you the front wheel later on when the hood is up. I will lift that later on and give you a look at the engine. Right now let's take a general look at the exterior of the unit. The air cleaner doesn't have any damage to it. There's no dents. Steps and storage box on the passenger side are in good shape. We come up to the overhead mirror here. No cracks or chips. And the same on the passenger mirror. And I'm going to go up the exhaust housing. Not seeing any damage there. There's one of the 147-gallon fuel tanks. And let's go up the sleeper. And the paint's looking in very good condition. There's no chips or body damage. Appears to be a dent in the rear here. And the steps over the storage box here are in good shape going up to the platform. We can see there's air assist in the cab. Hookups look to be in order. The truck is looking very good. Let's step back here and take a look at the wheels. We'll go to axle number 2. Again, aluminum inside and out. And there appears to be a lot left in these tires. Let's take a look at axle number 3. And consistent wear here. And lots of life left. Now we're just going to pan inside here between the frame and the inside wheel. And let's go to the back of the unit. The cross beams look straight. Fifth wheel is nicely greased. Also nice and straight. You get a good look at the suspension here. And we're on the driver's side now. Let's take a look at axle number 3. Getting very consistent wear, and they are all the same brand, BF Goodrich. So the tires are in good shape. And let's take a look at axle 2. And we'll do the same here. Let's just pan along the frame. Another look at the suspension. The steps on the storage box on the driver's side are in good shape. Let's take a look at the body of the sleeper. There's a dent here. And other than that, I'm not seeing any other damage. In very good condition. And the steps or the driver's door are in good shape. Exhaust housing is good. Let's take a look at the hood here in the front. And again, I'll get to those front wheels as soon as I come out of the cab. Air cleaner's in good shape. Mirrors are good. Let's take a look in the cab. It's very clean. Pan the gauges here for you. Quite complete. Has a GPS system, AM/FM cassette. There's your full lockers. We'll just come up to the gauges here. I'm going to move the wheel a little bit just to show you the RPM, the speedometer. There's the CB. The upholstery, I'm just going to take a look here at the passenger seat. It looks to be good shape. Let's take a look at the drivers. Good shape as well. Let's take a look back here. Now we don't have a lot of light, so it will show when the flash is on in the pictures. It is a double sleeper. And there's a fridge and storage compartment. Again, I'll get some better photos in a moment. I'm just going to look at the windshield here. Give it a once over. I'm not seeing any chips or cracks. I'm over in the driver's pane here, and there's just one chip here on the left. I'm going to start the truck up now. And let's take a look under the hood. We'll start with the wheel on the driver's side. There you have it. Another good piece of iron from BitOnIron.com. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.